In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sprint not working in Pubg Bluestacks 5. Sprint issues on Bluestacks usually come from key mapping conflicts, shooting mode grabbing your inputs, or a layout change in settings. We'll walk through quick checks that solve it for most players. Start inside Bluestacks 5 and launch Pubg Mobile. Open the game controls by clicking the keyboard icon on the right panel, then choose Open Advanced Editor. In the editor, locate your movement controls. You should see W assigned to move forward and Shift assigned as the sprint modifier. If Shift isn't listed as the sprint key or it looks blank, click the sprint control, press the Shift key to reassign it, and hit the Save checkmark. This refreshes the binding and clears many stuck sprint problems. If sprint still won't trigger, turn off shooting mode. While you're in the match, press F1 to toggle shooting mode off, then try sprinting again with Shift plus W. Shooting mode can sometimes lock movement or prioritize aim controls over the sprint modifier, so testing with it off helps confirm whether it's the cause. Next, consider resetting your control scheme. Open game controls with the keyboard icon and select Reset to Default, then apply the default Pubg layout and restart the game. A clean layout removes hidden overlaps or old bindings that block sprint. Also verify in-game settings. Open Pubg's settings, go to controls, and make sure any sprint option is enabled if it's available in your version. Double check that your custom layout hasn't moved or duplicated the sprint modifier in a way that conflicts with other keys. If everything looks correct but inputs feel delayed, adjust performance to reduce lag. Open BlueStacks settings using the gear icon and increase resources. Set CPU to 4 cores, RAM to 4 GB or higher, and enable high FPS mode. Smoother performance makes sprint inputs register consistently. Keep these common behaviors in mind. If Shift never registers, rebind it in the advanced editor. If sprint cancels when you aim down sights, that's normal for Pubg. Drop ADS before sprinting. If your movement feels stuck, press F1 to exit shooting mode. Final tips as you test. Always press Shift and W together to initiate a sprint, keep shooting mode off while troubleshooting, and update BlueStacks regularly for the best input response. With these checks, your character should be sprinting reliably again.